Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be painting this cute turtle. So I have molded using premium gypsum using Devon Dotting turtle mold. It's very awesome the way it came out. It's so uh, smooth to paint, and also um, the surface are very smooth, and it's 6 inch small turtle, so it's like your palm size you'll get the turtle. So the base coat I have done with darkest brown and mustard yellow for the tail, and I have given a resin coating to it so that the glow remain. So I'm trying this method, a new one, resin one, because in my last exhibition people asked, we want to protect your art. um so resin I found it most like, once base coat the resin is given, the shine is there, and it is also very smooth. You can paint on it. Grid line, drawing of grid lines might be little bit difficult, but it's okay if you I'm doing it on a small, so, and I will go with the dots how it is. So here I am just giving the rings of dot with different shades of yellow, mustard yellow and light brown. uh, and I'm using only, as the surface is very curvy, so I'm not trying out any difficult design. Is the main basic dotting first design, like one big dot, then line of walking of dots, then three sous. So the first design what I am doing, I am repeating that same with double walking the dots with a bigger size. You can do two or three walking if you have more size. So as the surface are very curvy, so your dot, if the paint consistency need to be proper, so you need to mix your paint, if it is very fluidy acrylic paints, with some gel medium to have a like very thicky, like you can say is butter kind of consistency, like little butter in your room temperature, uh, so that it doesn't flow out and your tip of the dot remains intact. So I just did four rings of dot and two big floral design with dotting design, and then I'm going with lines of dots, because this also, if your paint is fluidy, the dots will not be proper. So try to maintain the consistency of your paint by using some gel medium to it to make it thick, and don't hurry in the process. Make one line of dot properly dry, then go for it, so that you can know your consistency of the paint is proper. So now we are at the last, the gap I am filling it with dots and shoe. So we are done with our turtle. So at last I will be giving some highlight to it with golden color once it is properly dried, and then once the highlights and everything, and then I'll do a resin coating on it so that the glow remains. You can do it varnish also, but I'm really loving the UV resin because it dries so fast. Once you put it and show it in UV light, it's available in your Amazon. So it's very smooth, very slippery and very shiny. Or mandala and dots, nothing will happen. The protective cover will protect your turtle. And also by doing that, most of when while I was doing that, can we keep this inside the water, because turtle are for vastu and mostly kept inside water. So through this resin protection, you can keep this inside water also. So down also I have given dark brown, the base color, and a resin protect. So you have to do this before starting your mandala. And also I have given a little bit of scale to the side. So it took time, it takes time. So if you want to learn this, let me know in the comments. I will do a full video of the down and the scales. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and would love to hear from you. Do write to me in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.